Access to real-time data is becoming a competitive advantage. Drone as a service is changing how businesses capture insights from the ground without the need to own or manage drone fleets. Across industries like construction, agriculture, and mining, drones are helping teams to work faster and smarter. Aerial surveys can cut inspection time up to 50% and reduce operational cost by nearly 30%. What's accelerating this shift is service-based model. Companies can now access on-demand drone capabilities, making adoption easier and more scalable. Regulatory frameworks are also evolving. Authorities such as Directorate General of Civil Aviation and the Federal Aviation Administration are enabling safer and more structured commercial drone use. Technology is adding another layer of value. AI and cloud-based platforms are helping to analyze aerial data up to 25% faster, improving decision-making on the ground. For organizations, drone as a service is not just about efficiency. It is about unlocking real-time visibility, reducing risk, and scaling operations with precision. Those who understand this shift are better positioned to capture the next wave of data-driven advantage.